remember, we are the media now. I think you know that by now. And gosh, we have so much to do. Happy Monday. I just wanted to check in. And for those of you who showed up on the Zoom call for Jurisdictionary, yay for you. It's not about if you have litigation going on. It's about if you want to help save the Republic. So if you haven't listened to some of the calls and if you haven't looked at the websites and some of my posts, please do so. I will do what I can to encourage you to participate. It's imperative that we, the people, learn and grasp the rule of law and how to move the courts. That said, there will be a link for the last Monday call, and then there will be another one that should be arriving. I'll publish that shortly. Anyway, I just wanted to say, hey, good morning, happy Monday, happy week, make your bed, and remember, we are the media now. So I've got lots going on with litigation. The lawfare aspects of it are escalating. If you follow me on LinkedIn, and P.S., I am back on LinkedIn. Feels like I have an ankle bracelet on, but hey, they let me back in. I'm on good behavior, and we'll see what we can do. I've also started a group for how to win in court. So if you are a public adjuster, if you're a paralegal, if you're a victim of insurer fraud, if you just care about the Republic, come on over to the group and let's see what we can do about starting a bunch of groups, niche groups. I can see veterans across America studying this course, Jurisdictionary, so that we can get in there and help clean up America and take our country back. So that's my story for today. I'm sticking to it. Remember, we're the media now. Oh, and by the way, my video channel is undergoing some changes. I've been blessed to cross paths with an expert in things social media. So hopefully you'll see a big difference in the foreseeable future. And I will also be sharing the resource page on my blog so that you can benefit by some of the great and valuable people that I've encountered through this process. I have a feeling the insurance litigation is going to get very loud. The State Farm has replaced 2 of the attorneys and they sent the file up to a Northern California office. And based on my experience from workers' compensation, insurance companies tend to let the Southern California attorneys do the grunt work, and then they move it on to the Northern California attorneys for serious litigation. So anyway, that's my story. I got a big week ahead of me. Thank you for the prayers, and I sure missed everybody on LinkedIn, and thanks for bearing with me. And hopefully you see that I'm making some progress with public speaking, because I have to prepare to present this case to trial, and most certainly to the judge in a way that is that conforms with the rule of law and how we move the courts. So that's it. See you soon. Bye.